So Davinci Resolve 18 beta has launched this year and people are curious to know how to actually install the free version on their computer. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact step-by-step process you need to take in order to use Davinci Resolve 18 on your computer yourself. But first, my name is Ajay. I create videos on helping you on becoming a top tier creator. So let's get started. I'm on my computer now, and what you're going to do is go to Google or DuckDuckGo and then type in Davinci Resolve and then just enter. And what you're going to come up with is blackmagicdesign.com. That's the company that runs Davinci Resolve. So we're going to click on Davinci Resolve 18, Blackmagic Design, and then you're going to be directed towards their website, which is, to be honest, I'm a big fan of their website. It's really cool. So what we're going to do is scroll down to the next slide and then find Davinci Resolve free download now. We're going to click on that. From here, you're going to see 4 options. So what we do not want is the studio version. Okay, we don't want the studio version. We just want the either Davinci Resolve 17 or the Davinci Resolve 18 beta, which is like a testing phase. They're in a testing phase. We're going to go with the Davinci Resolve beta, and then we're going to select either your Mac, Windows or Linux, whichever operating system you're on. I'm going to go with Mac. And then here, you're just going to type in your details quickly. And then you're going to click register and download. And then now it's going to say thank you. So my download as a zip file has started. So now Davinci Resolve is officially on your computer. Technically we got it, right? Next up, what we're going to do is click on open. And then what you want to do is find the zip file, double click on it, and it's going to extract the files. And then what you want to do is just double click on the file. So you're going to be hit with the Resolve manual, install Resolve, and uninstall Resolve. We want to install Resolve. Double click that and you're going to be met with a window. So it's just an introduction, and then you want to click continue to get started. Read through the policy, scroll all the way down, and then continue. License, continue, and then it will say to continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms. Okay, agreed. And then installation type. So it will take 5.4 gig on my computer. Okay, fine. So install. So now it's installing. Fantastic. So the installation was successful. That's it. We have Davinci Resolve 18 successfully installed on our computer. Now we hit close. Next up, we want to go to Finder, Applications, find the Davinci Resolve, and then double click on Davinci Resolve. The software has popped up, and what we want to do is click Continue. And we can either go for a quick setup or skip and start right away. Let's go for the quick setup. And okay, system check. Okay, so we can choose SD, HD, Ultra HD, and this Davinci thing. So what type of project you want to start? 1080p. So continue, and then location is okay, it's fine. This is pretty cool. You can choose the keyboard layout. So if you're used to like Adobe or Final Cut Pro or something, like you can choose that keyboard layout instead of Davinci's own one. I'm used to Davinci Resolve's keyboard layout, so I'm going to click continue. And then that's it. You're all set. Boom. And it's going to load up now. And there you have it, guys. We are officially in Davinci Resolve 18 software, and it's ready to use. So you can start using this like now. So now that you've officially downloaded and installed the Davinci Resolve 18 beta on your computer, you probably need to know a few tutorials on how to edit videos. So if you're interested in videos like this, please subscribe and check out my latest videos on Davinci Resolve tutorials and more. And so you can get notified on the release of the new tutorials I come out with too. My goal is to grow this channel and really help more and more people just like you when it comes to video editing and many other things involved with content creation. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about Davinci Resolve. Again, thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to download Davinci Resolve 18 to your computer. Until the next time, peace.